Number 16, we are dividing two mixed numbers. And again, we will need to convert this to improper fraction before we do the division. So -4 2/7 is divided by 2 3/5. So we multiply 28, give us 30. So this is -30/7, and then 10. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 3 is 13. Get 13/5. Alright, so to solve division of fractions, we keep, change, flip. So this will be -30/7. This is going to become times, and flip this, 5/13. And then just multiply straight across. 5 times 30 will give us 150. That'll be -150, because this is negative. And then 7 times 13 will give us 91. And I don't believe these will reduce, but we want to type a mixed number. So 91, when we divide, 91 goes into 150 once. So since the number is negative, it's going to be 1. And if we subtract 91 from 150, that should leave us with, if it was 90, that would be 60. So 59/91. So 1 and 59/91. And I cannot forget my negative sign. Make sure that's negative. Okay, so 17, we want to find the rational number halfway between the two. So I want to find a number that's halfway between these two. The way we find half is we would add the numbers up and divide by 2. So that's what we have to do here. Number 17, we have to do 1/4 plus 3/8. And then once we get this answer, we're going to divide by 2. That's how we find half. Alright, so common denominator, we multiply by 2. That'll give us a denominator of 8. So arrow over, we will get 2 plus 3 over 8. Denominator will be 8. Divided by 2. So that's going to give us 5/8 divided by 2. So we have 5/8 divided by 2. So again, think of this as 2/1. So to solve, we keep, change, flip. So we get 5/8 times 1/2. And that gives us 5/16. So 5/16 will be halfway between those two numbers. And then 18, we want to decide whether the rational number would yield a repeating or terminating decimal. Alright, so the way we know terminating, we're going to reduce to lowest terms. Okay, reduce the lowest terms. And then if the denominator contains two fives, or both. Then it terminates. I'm going to say terminates. So we're going to break the denominator down, or reduce this fraction. So 60 over 72. Both divisible by 12. That would give us 5 over 6. Alright. So the denominator is 6. Alright, so that's going to be 6 can be broken down to 2 times 3. Alright, so the denominator needs to be 2's and 5's only. But we have 3. So the fact that it's not just consisting of 2's and 5's, when I reduce it all the way and break it to primes, that means it's going to be a non-terminating or a repeating decimal. So either it's 2's and 5's and it terminates, or it has other things and it repeats. So this one would repeat.